If I don't have a path, I just click on this box right here, fill in the list owner and list name, and your file will sit at Lorton Data until they receive a valid path, at which point they will run the job. One thing to remember is that once you send a file to Lorton Data, the file is locked until the job completes or you cancel the job. So you'll want to take that into account. The Congress path is selected, so I'll click OK. We have completed this dialog window. If I was ordering DSF2 processing, I would also have to select a DSF agreement for the file. All we have left to do is click Process. Desktop Mailer and Business Edition give you the opportunity to create a backup of the file before the processing begins. Note that these processes will update and change your database, so if you want to keep a copy of your original data, you will want to create this backup. I will click No for the purposes of this demonstration. And this brings up the job status screen. If you are running a small file like I am, you can take this opportunity to get up and stretch and perhaps replenish your beverage. And when you get back, your processing may be complete and your database updated. For large files, you can click on this Hide this screen for now button and move on to other tasks. It is recommended that you do this for files larger than 100,000 records to prevent the connection from timing out. There, our job is complete. Our database has been updated and the database is now available for editing. I have the option of clicking Done or going to look at the reports. That brings us to the report page in Desktop Mailer and Business Edition, of which you see the Extended Services reports. This concludes our tutorial on using Extended Services in PostalSoft Desktop Mailer and Business Edition. As I showed you, Extended Services is simple and easy for you to take advantage of. Since the software remembers the settings you used on any particular job, you are able to initiate a job on a file in as little as 30 seconds, up to a minute or two if you haven't run the file through before. Here again are the 4 steps to Extended Services bliss. Set up an account with Lorton Data for automatic file processing, complete a processing acknowledgement form and send it to Lorton Data, have the appropriate fields in your database that pertain to the service or services that you are requesting, and order the desired services. Thank you for your time and attention in watching this tutorial.